if you're working in Google Sheets and looking for how to freeze rows or columns, I'll walk you through that here because it's not in the same place as it is in Excel. What you'll do is in your worksheet, click basically whatever row length down or column width over you want to go for your freezing, especially if it's beyond the first or second line. So in this case, let's say I want to freeze on line 4. I'm going to put, or row 4, I'm going to click in 4, anywhere in row 4, and then go up to View. And then you'll select the second option, Freeze, and then you can freeze up to whatever row you've put the cursor in. So in this case, I'll put 4, and you'll see it puts a freeze line down below 4 and over. Same thing with column. If I want to go over to E here, say, I'll click anywhere in E, View, Freeze, now go down to Columns and go up to E. And one cool thing about this freeze function that I don't think exists in Excel is that if you change your mind, you can easily just wait until the icon turns to this hand. You can grab it by clicking and drag it to any other row or column. In fact, if you don't want it, you can actually bring it over here and leave it in case you want it for later. Or if you want to get rid of it entirely, you'll go back up to View, Freeze, and no columns or no rows. So if I select no columns, it gets rid of it there. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helped.